In this video, we're going to be talking about post registration and what you need to do once you have your login and your password with you. So you simply input your login and your password, and you're good to go. And you would get this screen loading up for you, the market profile charts. That's the default landing page. And you can use your mouse or scroll wheel to zoom in and zoom out. But what we're going to be talking about in this video today is a look at the menu options, and you get that by clicking on the ones on the left. And you have to note the version number over here, 1.2.6. Now this is completely browser based, and we keep adding new features, so we would be communicating to you about the correct version. And the latest version is the one which is going to be displayed on the dashboard. Right now, in this menu, there are a number of things which you can look at. But first and foremost, you can go into the profile, and you can set in your details over here. And if you require GST and etc., you can input those details over here. You can also use the user settings to customize the look and feel of your profile charts. So here for me, the default landing instrument is the Nifty, but you can choose the Bank Nifty if that is the instrument. And we have a default TPO size already loaded over here. If you need any changes, you can make those adjustments over here. This is the default setting of all the TPOs and all the instruments which are there in the market profile section. And all these instruments are available to you via the market profile, right? And in the volume profile, these are the default settings. Again, you can show the volume profile, etc. The value area is volume based. You can choose TPO based if you're used to it. And the volume profile display, etc. The maximum profiles, I've set it at 15, and for the line charts it's 3, but you can choose any number according to your preference. And this is very important, OI and volume data. A lot of people are used to inputting share data, and if you require share data, you can put total value. But if you're looking to have your open interest numbers displayed in terms of contracts, especially on the options table, then choose contracts over here, right? And these are the settings for some of the other charts inside. So if you want to hide some of them, you just have to tick mark, and those would be hidden. So by unticking, those are available for you. If you tick mark on them, those will not be available for you, right? You also get to view the screen from this profile over here, as well as the settings page over here. This will also bring you back to this same landing page. So this is the menu. Okay, we'll be exploring more about the menu in subsequent videos. The profile, the user settings, the user manual we already covered in the previous video. That's over here. And if you require an FAQ and a glossary of all the terms which are used in the market profile, that's over here. TPO, IB, VA, VWAP, VPOC. If you're a beginner in market profile, this should help you. As well as there are some frequently asked questions which you can look at, right? So this is I leave you over here to explore about this menu. When we come back, we'll have a deeper look at some of the features inside.